Hello everyone. I want to take a few minutes to welcome you to our course. This is English 1101, Composition 1. And this class will be fully online. So first I want to introduce myself. My name is Robin Stocksliger. My email is rstocksliger@gsu.edu, and you can find that in the syllabus as well, so you don't need to write it down right now. This is a picture of me and my family. That's my husband and my two little girls. So I just wanted to put a face to my name and my voice that you're going to hear throughout the course. First thing, how to navigate this course, especially if you're new to iCollege. The course is set up in modules for each week. So on the left side of the course, you will see links, and it will say week 1 and give the dates, week 2 give the dates, and you'll click on that. That opens up the space for you to do all the work and the assignments for the week. So you'll click on the link under content. When you first go into iCollege, you are first in assignments, but then you click on the link that says content, then click on the week that we are in. This will open up the module where you will find all the content and assignments, and there's a little screenshot of what it would look like. So our first week says week 1, August 24th to the 28th. Now it says Monday through Friday, but of course you can work on these during the weekend too if that works for your schedule. All the modules are not available yet. I am still working on creating them, but they will be in iCollege 2 to 3 weeks before their due date, before we get to that week. So don't worry if you can't see all 15 or 16 weeks. They will appear periodically throughout the course. Class meetings. We are not going to meet on any specific day or time together. So even if your schedule says Monday and Wednesday, we're not meeting on Monday and Wednesday. All the work you're going to do on your own, you will just need to meet the deadlines for the work in each week's module. So for week 1, you have a quiz and a discussion board that you will find under that module, and you just need to make sure that is done by the due date. All the due dates will be on Friday at midnight. So that is the most important thing to remember about dates and deadlines. It's not that we are meeting online at any time, but it's the work that you're doing for each week that needs to be done. However, I am happy to meet over Zoom or in Collaborate. If you would like to meet face-to-face for office hours, just email me and we can set something up. Especially if you need any extra help, I'm happy to help and work with you one-on-one. This week is basically about getting familiar with the course and getting your textbook. There is a link inside of week 1 that gives you the information on how to order your textbook. I'm saying textbook, but it's really an e-book. So will be completely online. This week you also just need to read the syllabus and the schedule. Like I said earlier, there's a discussion board that just introduces yourself, and there is a quiz. After you read all the policy and the syllabus, there is a quiz about that. So that will be it for this week. Please reach out to me through email if you have any questions. I'm happy to help. And I am very excited to begin this course and to work with you all on improving your writing skills. Take care.